Here are my Arduino Generation 2 RepRap electronics. So I'm going to basically go over what I have and how I set it up. So let's start with the stepper drivers. I'm using stepper drivers V1.2. The main reason I did this was because MakerBot, the V2.3, which is a newer one, was out of stock when I was making my RepRap. And rather than waiting for a couple months, I just thought I would go with these since many people are already using the V1.2s and they work fine. The only problem I had with the V1.2 is that I burnt one out. So this one's basically useless now. But I do recommend getting maybe like 4 or 5 of them at least. So when you're not fully finished with your RepRap, but you just want to test out your electronics, that's probably when you're going to burn them out. But other than that, I've had no other problems with burning out of the stepper drivers. I'm using the Arduino breakout shield with the Arduino, obviously. I started this up myself. Works fine, and it makes this incredibly easy to wire everything up. It may look a little bit messy, but it works. Again, this is a rep strap, not a RepRap, so it's not it's not the best machine in the world, but it does the job. So now let's move on to my extruder. Here this is the PWM driver, the V1.1, I think, and same thing with the motor driver. Again, I mounted it onto the Z-axis because it kind of made the most sense. Although I do want to make in my V2 rep strap, which hopefully will be coming soon, I do want to put it all in like a small container and just have wires going to it. It makes a little bit more sense than carrying the ATX power supply wires. That's about it. Those are my electronics.